Hello guys! Ngayon pala, maglalaro tayo ng Mimsy. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aking inventory. Kung gusto nyo ng fruit, ano nyo lang sa akin. Ay, magiging na pala guys. Unti lang fruits ko dito. Guys, mamaya sa comments, ano ko to, lalagay ko pangalan ko. Guys, ito nga pala yung fruit ko sa ko, inventory. Guys, papatayin nga pala natin ang big lapa. That's easy. We're gonna go kill the Sasties. This guy is Sasties.
Is this a bomb?
Bruh.
Hello? Is this a bomb?
Amanga.
Is this a bomb?
Nag-video nga ako. Nag-video ng laro ko.
Hello? Is this a bomb?
Guys, and then we're going to roll for a fruit. There's someone killing me. Bruh! Maybe just roll a fruit. The good old days. But go. Ha! Only going to store. The gold fruit. Or still one more. We're gonna test this on the big clapper. The damage of the flame sword. There. Too weak. Wait, big clapper. In power. Where to buy the hanger? First, you need to go on. You need to go to the stand. Okay, you first go left, and then if you see this guy, head straight, and then if you see this, go straight, and then that's where you buy the hanger. And then how to get the flame sword. you get the Kim's Cola, if you got this Kim's Cola, go to this Kim's. How to go in the water the dog. I recommend it on level 655. I mean 300. You need to kill the Walter the dog, and then after you kill it, and then he drop Kim's Cola, you need to go up and then straight ahead. If you see this Kim stuff, and then I'm so thirsty for some cola. Would you like a trade? Your one Kim's Cola and 50,000 from Flame Katana. And then you need to press OK. And then you can get the Flame Katana. How to get the weapon Floppa? First, you need to go to the respawn area and then go straight. If you see this, don't kill them there. And then you need to jump on this. Don't touch the red, that's lava. If you die, you will not. First, get this quest. You can get 50,000. And then you need to click this 1,000 times. And then I actually do it yesterday. This is it. This is the first attack. Second attack. Well, this is actually very weak. Someone is trading. Okay. Oh. Actually, that's fun fact. The strongest there is the fish. You can swim, but in human you cannot. In bird you cannot swim, and rabbit you cannot swim. The fish can swim. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay guys, bye-bye.